Okay guys, I just pulled the harmonic balancer off this 2003 Sea Doo GTX DI. Just gonna go over what I did real quick. You can tell it's off of there, and had to pull the pump unit out and run a half-inch drive extension, long half-inch drive extension. I don't know, it's about 18 inches long with a breaker bar. And there's our harmonic balancer right there. You can get a puller from Harbor Freight, and it has no keyway. There's no key, it's just kind of tapered, so it will come off of there. It just takes a little bit of beating and tightening. There was the coupler. It's just bolted on there. It's got some just flat with some splines that go into the drive shaft. Rear mount bracket, boot. Let's see. Also, you need a big hammer. As you tighten the puller, you have to tap it, tighten it, and tap it, or tighten it and beat on it to get it to come off. I tried to impact, but that only worked so far. So mainly I had to use the breaker bar and a piece of pipe to get it off of there, and probably wear some gloves so you don't beat your hands up if it breaks. And I used a torch to heat it up. It might have helped, I'm not sure if it did or not. And all this to get to the air compressor so we can change. There's our air compressor right there. You gotta get to that cover so I can pull the rod out and bring the piston up from the top.